If you're one of those people that find it difficult to remember what angles in a four-sided shape add up to, or five-sided shape, 6, 7, and so on, only one thing you need to remember is angles in a triangle add up to 180. So all of these add to 180. So what about a four-sided shape? Now some of you will probably remember 360. But then how can we determine that? Well, what you can do is split this four-sided shape into triangles. So choose any point to begin with, doesn't matter which one. Let's say I choose that one. Not that way, not that way. You can take it this way. So you can split it up into, let's have a look, 2 triangles. And you know, this triangle, the angles in that triangle add up to 180. The angles in this triangle also add to 180. 180 add 180 makes 360. So the angle sum of a four-sided shape is 360. Right, for a five-sided shape, we've got 2 different five-sided shapes here. This one's a bit difficult to split up, so we'll use this. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a five-sided shape here. Choose any point, it doesn't matter. Choose this one. Right, not that way. We can take it this way. That's to this point, and not necessary to take it here. So now we've got 3 triangles there. So that's 180. Right, 180 add 180 add 180 makes 540 degrees. Six-sided shape. Choose any point and then split it up. So add this, that's 720 degrees. So let's suppose, let's work with this one because we've not used this one yet. Let's say that is 90 degrees. That one we'll call, what should we call it, 70? This one, call it 45. This one, no idea. Remember, we're looking at the inside angle, not the outside. We're looking at the interior angles. And this one we'll call it 40. So what's this missing angle here? Well, it's a five-sided shape, and you know in a five-sided shape, angles add to 540. So you need to add these existing angles. So add these up. So I'll show the working out. Now angles, as I've said, angles in a five-sided shape add up to 540, so just do 540 minus what have we got? So it's quite a big angle, as you'd expect. It's a reflex angle, so that's 295. The missing angle there is 295. And one thing I just want to quickly talk about is, well, what if you had a 100-sided shape? Then how are you going to work out how many triangles there are? What is the connection between the number of sides and the number of triangles? Well, as you've seen, a three-sided shape has got 1 triangle. Oh, that's obvious. A four-sided shape has got 2 triangles. A five-sided shape has got 3 triangles. Six-sided shape, 4 triangles. You can see a connection here. These numbers in this column are 2 less than these numbers. So 3 take away 2 is 1, 4 take away 2 is 2, 5 take away. So it seems like we're taking away 2 all the time. So if you had a 100-sided shape, clearly that'd be 98 triangles. And then 98 triangles multiplied by 180 degrees. It's a large number. So the angle sum of a 100-sided shape would be this big number here, 17,640 degrees.